The case has been dismissed against a young migrant teen from Guatemala for almost a year after he was arrested following the death of a Florida police officer who actually had a heart attack. So 19-year-old Mr. Mendez was arrested in May of 2023 after Sergeant Michael Kunovich, an officer with the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office in St. Augustine, Florida, approached the teen. Mr. Mendez, who does not speak English, attempted to walk away from the officer, but instead a struggle ensued, and afterwards he suffers a heart attack and passes away.
Okay, do you have any weapons on you?
Huh?
You have any weapons on you?
No.
Well, you know what that is. Turn around, let me look.
No.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
But no.
Mr. Mendez was thrown to the ground, put in a chokehold, and tased on multiple occasions. 5 minutes after he was handcuffed and put into a patrol car, Kunovich suffered a fatal heart attack. According to the autopsy report, Kunovich died of natural causes after suffering a cardiac dysrhythmia. This was likely due to his severe heart disease, a prior heart attack, or heart and lung deterioration due to his smoking. But despite what the medical examiner had to say about it, they still decided to charge him first with killing a police officer, and then the charge was amended to aggravated manslaughter.
Sergeant Deputy Michael Kunovich was legally out with a person that was at a permanently closed business in the area of 16 and 95. He checked out with him simply to say, hey, why are you on this property trespassing? That was a simple thing, simple task. As the body camera footage will come out and show you, it was by the book, textbook.
Actually, I did see the footage, and when I saw the footage, I did not see him at a business that was permanently closed. I didn't see him up to any type of mischief, and I certainly didn't see that officer Kunovich say anything about him trespassing. In fact, he basically accosted him, as you will see, and he could not understand what this officer was saying to him because he does not speak English.
Stop! 422 St. John's. 1012, single 13 PE. Hispanic male, white t-shirt, black shorts, Super 8 30 16, 3576. You be 54 on me. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, why, when I was driving around... Stop.
Eating.
Okay, but why did you get up and walk away?
Huh?
When you saw me, you got up and walked away. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
But you meet me here, I go for drinking.
Where are you staying?
Huh?
Where are you staying? Sleeping?
You say, yeah.
Here?
Yes.
Well, why aren't you eating inside?
I'm sorry. Yeah.
What?
I'm sorry. Speak.
Okay, I've got somebody coming. Okay, do you have any ID and identification, license?
What?
ID, identification.
Yeah.
In the room?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your first name?
Huh?
Your first name.
I'm sorry. I'm speaking.
Okay, do you have any weapons on you?
Huh?
You have any weapons on you?
No.
Well, you know what that is. Turn around, let me look.
No.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
But no.
Don't walk away from me.
No, sorry.
Don't pull away from me. I'm checking you for what? Get your hands away from your...
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
No. I'm sorry. Hey.
So even though the medical examiner's office ruled the death as natural, they still chose to keep him in custody and continue with these charges. That is, of course, until Jose Baez took over his case. You may recognize him for the Aaron Hernandez or Casey Anthony cases. But of course, Sheriff Hardwick is going to back his buddies in blue no matter what. Even though the case against Mr. Mendez has been dropped, he's still in custody awaiting information from immigration.